Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Microsoft's To-Do full tutorial. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly, download the Microsoft To-Do list. So just simply search for that on Google. Just simply search Microsoft To-Do list. Then open the second link right over here. And the To-Do link website should open. So over here you will have the option to download for an Android device, for a Windows device and for a Mac device. Now choose depending on the device that you're using and then install the software. So in my case, my software is already installed. So once you install the software, it will look something like this. As you can see right over here, this is the to-do list. Now you will have a lot of options over here. As you can see, there are a few options in my list already. So the first option is my day. The second option is important. Third option is planned. Then fourth option is assigned. Then tasks, and nextly there will be additional panels that you can add later. Now to begin, let's add an additional panel. So for doing that, you can click on new list right over here and then add a list. So let's say for example task 1. Now once you have this list, you will be able to add multiple tasks in a single list as well. So like for example, in task 1 I want to add a new task called A. Then you can add the date, the time if you want an alarm or something, and if you want a reminder or not. And then just simply click on the checkbox and the task will be added. So for example, again, if I want to add a new task, enter date, enter the name of the task, the timer if you want to, and the repeater. And then choose this circle option right over here. And that will add the task right over here. Now, once you do this, if you go back to my days right over here, you will be able to add those tasks in a singular day. Like for example, if you have planned your entire month and these are the tasks in a particular month, you can add the single task of a single day. So for example, if I go to day, and if you click on this bulb option right over here, you will be able to see all the tasks available. So like for example, just now I created these two tasks. So for example, if you want to do any one of the tasks today, just simply click on this plus option and then the task will be added for today. Now let's say if you have completed any of the tasks, you have to just simply click on this checkbox and then you will hear a small ding in your computer and the task will be completed, as you can see right over here. And the name of the task will also be crossed right over here. And just like that, you can add multiple lists in multiple locations. As you can see in the important list, you can also create some tasks. Same goes for planned. So over here, you will be able to see all the planned list, meaning all the lists which have a particular date, time, or something like that. Now over here, you will have this option assigned it to me. So in this case, what will happen is, let's say for example, you have a task. If you click on the particular task, you will be able to add multiple things. And among those options are, if you want to add multiple mini steps to a particular task, you can also do that right over here. Like for example, if I want to add a mini step, I will just simply add them right over here. And if I complete any one of the mini steps, just simply check the box and one of the mini steps is done. Now, to assign any task to a particular person, you have to choose this option, assign to. Then you will be given an invitation link. So copy this link and then send the person who you want to assign a particular task from your to-do list. And then they will be able to see the tasks right over here. And in the task, again, it's the same thing as the important and my day. And in the additional task that you can see, you can add multiple tasks and then you can add them in your main task right over here. Or you can even group them. So if you click on this group option, create a new group. Let's name it group 1. So right click, rename group 1. Now just drag and drop the other task into that particular group like this. And now you have a complete group in which you will have small tasks, and under all those small tasks, you will be able to see mini tasks like this. So this is also a feature that you can try. Now, in each of them, you will have a layout option. Like for example, I'm currently in task 1. You can change the layout right over here. So wait for a few seconds. And then you will be able to see that layout is changed. Same goes over here. As you can see, the layout is changed right over here. You can even get a static color if you want to. or a complete image. And just like that, you can design your entire to-do list. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.